All right. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is I did no study as such today for CAT, and but I did study for PGCET. Apparently, I will stop for studying for CAT for almost 3 to 4 days because on this Sunday there is an exam PGCET. It's an exam for Karnataka locals for MBA in Karnataka. I am not giving it to get a seat in an college, but rather for my academic achievements. Like if I get a rank within 1,000 or maybe 100, it will be a good CV pointer for me in my CV, and I can plant that in my interviews as well. So yeah, decided to give 3 to 4 days for that to prepare for it. It's quite different, not difficult, different from CAT, and there is a lot of GK in it, so I have to buckle it up. Also, a little bit of grammar, vocabulary, and things. I have to just brush it up and do the previous year questions of those. So I will take 4 days off from CAT. At the same time, I will be uploading videos of the same and of the CAT prep also, and some informative videos. So stay tuned for that. So I will be not stopping my CAT prep, but I will be making a pause for it for 2 to 3 days at max. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like the video. And yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow, guys. And one more thing, if you have any doubt, just drop it down because it's high time. People have a lot of doubts, so I will be more than happy to help you guys. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.